Hi, in front of me is OPPO A33 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, find clock in the menu. Then click at the top right corner on the plus icon and set up an hour. Choose AM or PM, click ring once or choose custom and tap on repeat. Over here select days of the week and save them by going back. Now choose alarm name and type whatever you want. Then tap on more and enable or disable vibrations and snooze by tapping on the switchers next to it. Lastly, click on ringtone, click allow and tap on one of the ringtones to set it up as your alarm sound. Then go back and click at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!